I guess so. That is one good lifeguard. Being a lifeguard is tough. Oh, that was lifeguard didn't even get to save anyone. I guess he didn't need saving. Maybe he went out there to tell him that he was too far or something. Ah, well, it looked good on the film. I'll just cut it out, like when he's swimming out there, so it makes it look like he's about to save someone. What did he look like? You said?
Yeah, what did he look like?
From this far, he looks pretty skinny, and he looks what?
He wants to be a star of the video.
Yeah, he is already a star. He's a hero. Or he attempted to be a hero. Well, no, he's a hero for sure. He went out there and tried to save whoever needed saving. That guy is a real MVP. Now back to Heather. What's up, Heather?
I look horrible. That's what's up. Did you film me? Did you put this on your vlog?
Yeah, this is a vlog.
No, it's not.
Jeromeo Vision number.
Just came out of the beach water. It looks terrible.
That's good.
That's not good. Let me have it. Let me film you.
No.
Next to here.
I never get filmed. Sorry.
Yeah, you're the best part.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm just a cameraman. That's all I do.
Film you.
No.
Like, the point of you doing a vlog is so you can film yourself through. Oh, so ugly.
Wow, that's messed up. Let's get away from Heather and go to Casey.
Goodbye.
Hey, Casey, you're nice, right? You're not nice? I don't know what else to say. You like to smile, right? I guess we're not gonna hear from Casey.
Hi!
Wow, what is that? We're in Santa Monica. This is gonna be great for like 20 years down the road. I'm gonna show it back to you guys. Be like, remember that one time you went to Santa Monica? And you guys be like, which time? You're like, remember that one time I had a camera and I filmed everything? Well, let's look back at the footage. You guys are gonna thank me for all this footage. Ew. What do you think you are, a model?
Yes.
Alright, back to the view.
Hey, this is the view. Over here. This is.
No, sorry. You say you didn't want to be in this vlog, so we're gonna kick you out. Sorry. Here's the hero himself. So how did it feel to save that person? That's good. Oh, it wasn't? Oh, sorry for giving you the wrong credit. Okay, where's the real superhero? Now that guy is doing good in the business world. You know how many people want boogie boards? I want a boogie board so bad. Oh, thank you. Look at that guy's handstand. Look how long it's holding. Oh, never mind. Hold it up. Hold it up. Linkin Park. R.I.P.
Linkin Park. Rest in peace, Chester.
Yeah. Shout out to Chester. You're a great singer. Hey man, get off the phone. Enjoy the view.
I am.
I'm okay. I'm making a video. Thanks. You think I should just interview people in this video?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
Go interview that couple.
Huh? No, they're sleeping.
What if you interview that guy that's selling ice cream? What if you like being an ice cream man?
Oh yeah. Hey sir, ice cream man. Don't mind if we have an interview? Thanks. Oh what? Nah, I'll talk to this guy. No, this guy's cooler. Okay, Mr. Ice Cream Man. Why are you wearing a sweater in 100 degrees? And you too, miss. Thank you for your time. Hello, I'm Jerome Watts, and I'm making a vlog right now. Here in the video Snapchat world. Yeah. Looks good. I'm vlogging the Snapchatters. I don't know what else to do in this thingamajiggy.
I don't know.
I'm just gonna talk to people.
ain't gonna post this.
Get ready to see this video on YouTube in about 2 weeks or so. You're in it. You're the star of the video.
Oh, Lord.
Sorry,
Blind
Heather.
everybody. Blind everybody. What don't you?
Why is your skin so bright?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's kind of blinding my eyes.
Yeah.
I need some sunglasses. Can I borrow your sunglasses?
No.
Okay. Look at that guy. It's the ice cream man. Hey, can we have another interview? Thank you. So what are you selling, the ice cream truck? How long have you been an ice cream man for?
Like a baraka.
You
What?
sell cockroach? You're gross. Alright, back to Casey. And that's it for Casey.
Sure.
You blocked the camera. I don't know what else to say after that.
Hello.
Who does that heart goes out to?
Anyone.
Okay.
Everyone watching the video.
Okay.
Like 10 people.
Yeah. For those 10
I
people
love
that's
you, 10
watching this.
people.
Thanks for caring, Casey. Oh, I'm okay. I'm making a video.
Look, you must be starting the video.
Oh, hey, Mr. Pigeon. Why do you move your neck every time you walk?
Wait, I'm done.
I know, because I'm done with this interview. Another one, where? Oh, look at that. Hello, Mr. Pigeon. How's your day going?
That's probably his brother.
Ah, probably. Or maybe it's a female.
Look at look, he's running away.
No, he doesn't like the camera in his face.
Or her.
Oh, yeah, her face too.
Look, probably stop.
Yeah. That's a nice pigeon. See you later, pigeon. Have a good life. You think I can film people, like, their expression from here? This thing zooms in pretty far, you know. If I had a tripod, this would be much easier. Yeah, it's pretty terrifying. Hi, my name is Heather, and I like to lake. Oh, yeah, very cool. High five, please. High five. Yeah.
How was your bike ride?
Oh, that was so much fun. We mounted bike everywhere. We went all over the place.
Where did you guys go?
We went to Reseda Park. Well, not Reseda Park, but like Reseda Point. Yeah, it was fun. It was
And
really,
how long did you guys bike ride for?
like 3 hours or so. We went one way and we went all the way down to the bottom and went up this hill, and that took like an hour, and then we went back down and went on the other side. Thank you. These allergies are killing.
She was swimming my pain. Yeah, she was singing my life. Give me something with every song. Give me something with every song.
Let's see you guys do your best dance.
No. Can't handle it.
Okay. Well, Casey will do her dance.
Ooh.